Presenting Redgear by Cosmo 7.1 USB wired gaming headphones. It is available in black and white color variants. The headphones come with manual and driver CD included in the box. The product dimensions of the headphone are 23.7 by 11.2 by 21.7 centimeters. This over-ear wired headphone is lightweight and comes with adjustable split headband and extra soft ear muff, making it comfortable for all-day wear. Its closed ear cups design provides passive noise cancellation by blocking unwanted sounds for an enhanced gaming experience. The headphone features RGB LED light effect on ear-ups and tip of the microphone. Redgear Cosmo has 7.1 surround sound engine, which allows you to listen to the game sound more accurately. The 7.1 engine helps you to receive the sound covering all the angles for an immersive gaming experience. The headphones come with an adjustable and noise-cancelling microphone for a quick and stable communication. These headphones are suitable for gamers. It also comes equipped with audio control unit that helps control volume. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.